There is a beautiful hidden gem in Bethesda, Maryland. You will have to find out as we take a bike ride to this unbelievable place. So we're starting near Georgetown and bike riding on the Capital Crescent trail. Please subscribe to our channel by zapping the button. The map is at the end of the video. Oh, let's go riding! What is that hidden gem? I don't know. I'm not telling you.
I'm glad we're riding uphill on the way there.
You might encounter deer or foxes or rabbits, and there are 3 different kinds of local squirrels here, white, gray, and black. But right behind me, we see some deer. So from this trail, you can watch the rowing crews of Georgetown University practicing over on the Potomac River. What's that hidden gem? You'll have to find out. The Capital Crescent Trail is part of the American rail system, and it's supposed to take you all the way to Washington State. That's 4,000 miles. It's not completed, but ultimately that is the goal. This is a rail trail. It used to be the B&O railroad right here. We're coming up to a railroad tunnel. It looks like a Roman arch. So what is it that we're looking for? What's that hidden gem? All right, here's the hidden gem. Aren't you glad you stuck around? Kenwood is a little neighborhood tucked away in Bethesda, Maryland, where the streets are lined with Yoshino cherry blossom trees. So in the 30s and 40s, a developer planted 1,200 of these trees all along the streets in the neighborhoods to attract homebuyers to this neighborhood. And I think it's working. You'd be very lucky to have a house here. So you can just go in and out of the neighborhoods. And there's a cool little stream there. Doesn't it look like a stream from the Lord of the Rings? It looks like the hobbits live here.
I don't know, I don't watch nerd stuff.
There's no map, we're just kind of winging it, but it doesn't matter. There's cherry blossoms all over the place. You're not gonna miss any. Definitely not as crowded as the tidal basins. I think it's so much better to see this on a bike than it would in a car.
Oh, of course. I can't wait to come back next year.
Ice cream and bicycling, what could be better? Biking through the Kenwood neighborhood with cherry trees in full bloom has to be seen and experienced to be believed. Hope to see you around.